Hello. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ just now I recently posted one video ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯒ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯝꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ 9 ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯄꯄꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯆꯤꯡꯂꯦꯟ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ interaction ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ live stream ꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣ and then you will get to know her more ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯨ ꯁꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯣ then ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯔꯒꯦ and then she will be talking to you all ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ like response ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ disappointed ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ I'm sure she will take care of this so guys there she goes Thoibi come
Hi.
ako nang kano tawdabra okay
I see Qatar the state away. I live in Qatar. I Kaching Dagine. Maroon 5 ki say saksa. Okay, yay. मैं ठीक हूँ मैं ठीक हूँ Maroon 5 की सही सालों है ये
कौन सा सुधना anytime just feel free
सही सालों भी पता नहीं है
मैं शेयर करने बरा comfortable
यार सही सालों का था ऐसे I Kaching Paji like I day Nara Singa gi no day I Manipur da lag to I summer vacation later ye I Manipur folk song di haite I may tay longest to ba do I kay sukhang de Hoy ako'y mama wairi day ne kumain khang ni no I was in class 3 I mean class 4 thame I isay sakpa do I kona sa age hujikte mood laite ay mood lay ba do ay lay ninti hujikte ako'y Qatar da na hujik taran na masatli Qatar da taran na masatli Mane ako'y mama wairi day ne kumain khang ni no I class 4 tame ako'y di Qatar da lay ba si khang de
if you missed the comment no sumana na mo ko
Nang ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯗꯗꯥ
Hi. Ma break ꯂꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯔꯥꯕꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯂꯥꯃꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯔꯥꯕꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ internet ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤꯅꯦ.
internet ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯔꯦꯡꯗꯩ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯄꯔꯦꯡꯗꯩ ꯅꯦꯅꯦ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯡ ꯅꯦꯅꯦ आप क्या बोल रही है
ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨꯗꯅ.
अंकल सब लोग मणिपुरी है तो मैं मणिपुरी स्पीक कर रहा हूँ इसलिए आई अराबिक मरोन लोन हैते अखोई सिदा लॉकडाउन तौदे पुलक कइनो तौवे हांगे अखोई दी पुलक अखोई बाबा इंजीनियर होये सिविल इंजीनियर अखोई बाबा कक्चिंग मचा सी अइना खनबदा कक्चिंग मचा खरादी लेरमगनी ऐसु खंगदे
No positive case. We have.
नत्ते अखोई दी ने कतरदा ने पॉजिटिव केस है लिशिंग
Mapan.
नत्ते लिशिंग होय लिशिंग मापन यौगरे हानदा या I study in Qatar अखोई स्कूल दा इंग्लिश का साने है अखोई
Manipura la pa ngai damdeni.
कोई वेकेशन थोक तो रा खंगदे दा असिल ला लगा
You can watch also there sometimes. I see, yeah. So you can interact. No, I'm not. I prompt out the. I'm just checking the the light.
Prompt
and,
hai kaino.
Prompt. I know the.
Kare kare
Hi, Dina.
Do you want to read that in your own home? No, I don't want to read that in my own home. I फसना बा खंगदे कई चारी नो अखोई ममा ना पिजबा चागे I 25 years old baby. Yeah.
I'm leaving you alone, okay? Take care.
I guess saying ba maming lin thoi ka we. I huzi Doha da labor si 11 years shure. Mi pulak na cute oi hele adu that hai. Ai chaurakan da kaino oi doi ne ai. Science teacher. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯒ ꯕꯕꯥꯒꯗꯩ ꯅꯦꯇꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯦꯇꯥꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯌꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ shout out
ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ shout out ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ
so you can mention their name
그마이나 세계세
who's that Nitish Waripam hello hi you can just say their name that's called shout out
까까니티쉬 강대 shout out 떨었어 야이 shout out
so
떨었어
what song are you gonna sing for us Thoibi
girls like you
girls like you okay
나한테 후지 너무 sakage okay sak시게 dance monkey sak게
yeah do you want to do it
yeah
but not the music
karaoke tawsira
music hapkano
nate sido
music hapadina kana lakani ba volume loud do oikro chida tahan gana ko music or do you want headphones
they say oh my god I see the way you shine take your hand my dear and place them both in mine you know you stopped me dead while I was passing by and now I beg to see you dance just one more time ooh I see you every time and I like your style you make me wanna cry and now I beg to see you dance just one more time so I say dance for me oh I've never seen anybody do the things you do before they say move for me yeah and when you're done I'll make you do it all again I said put your hands my dear and look me in my eyes just like a monkey I've been dancing my whole life but you just beg to see me dance just one more time ooh I see you every time and oh my I like your style you make me wanna cry and now I beg to see you dance just one more time so they say dance for me oh I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before they say move for me yeah and when you're done I'll make you do it all again they say dance for me oh I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before they say move for me yeah and when you're done I'll make you do it all again ooh whoa ooh they say dance for me oh I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before they say move for me yeah and when you're done I'll make you do it all again they say dance for me oh I've never seen anybody do the things you do before they say move for me yeah and when you're done I'll make you do it all again
yes nice okay
Manipur salwai romoi na ingonda
do you want to sing
있을게. 더 이상 시계. 얘기나 우리 보살게. 아이고. 강제 자 이삭 또 하나다. 야, 딜릭스가.
So Thoibi, how are you? You did it, Thoibi. Sayam hay ko hay.
Hoy nuôi bulak na tam na sa lohay dito sa laki. Tam na khang
Actually,
đi.
khâu quăng ở đâu rồi?
Ay tam na khang đi. Hindi say sa lak kakagan niya makay hindi say sa laura.
You can do this.
Memories hello ohay đi rồi. Okay. Memories hello pasi ay khang đi. Hindi this one.
Tam ở xuôi gì? They like tam.
Ay khang đi.
Nên tên như sao mà?
Khang đi. Ay ne ko isay ama sa lagya ba? Ariba isay ama noy khallo. Ay ama sa lagya. चली मैं अपने देवर की बारात लगे जो लो चले मैं अपने देवर दीवाना चले पे लो चले मैं डबा जाना ही बारात खुशियों की सौगात ले दिल में लो चले मैं देवर दिल हाबा.
Take a break, you will try.
क्या थे? नहीं 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 Wait.
Say ma'am, thank you. Yam hay ye Thoibi. Girls like you. Later you can sing girls like you later, right? Nunyo lari se kai dano. Say yam hay ye.
Ê, một cái say sa lô hay nọ.
Wait, let me get you headphone, okay? Then you can sing. Android phone, headphone like that. Come, you can both. Hi ma'am. Nuari bro. Thoibi tamphaga kai thoknage. Keno aiga magi se thokna die. Ai magi nene ne koi sida laimina bane. Aduga Manipuri sai khang yang siko. Ma se
Say
kakching kai wai dagina ye.
Paji like guy day.
Paji?
Paji like guy.
Paji le kai. What is that? Oh, that is your mama's died. Waraba, Loshila Shila Lai.
Yeah, did I continue to Rasuyaida?
No, talk then. Okay. Guys, adum school gi maramda na koi nagkhangning basing adum hango o mangonda then right, you can talk about the school or education systems in Doha. Okay. May I adum school gi maramda or so hangiyo.
Just saying something right here. Kaisa lauge mayame. Nene salon ko get we go.
Sidi aina chat pa mapam aiga mi labor mi duga dum depend to even if you go to Chorachandpur or if you go to Ukrul adum akhoi gi wari sanaba mi duga accent adum nangonda adapt gani. And then if I go to Africa then I've got my African accents, and if I go to Italy then I have got Italian accents. Simaina sidi aina chat liba aina lariba mapam dugi inna adum adapt we aduga akhoi isagi origin budi mangde ko aduraga su aina lariba mapam chatliba mapam akhoi gi Manipuri mayamna Manipur laiba singna mapan tholakpada akhoi gi English ngangba matamda akhoi gi English accent se akhoi gi tang kitang tied oibado adu su oy adu sidi magi lariba mapam akhoi gi adu mayam da depend to resing na hairaga diko. Thank you Jamuna Yumnam. Yeah, she's adorable and she's tired. Titanic is saklo. School gi rank 2 na tro nang
Titanic is hey.
Alika teach you. And thank you Sylvia sent. Manipuri song, what can you sing?
I can't sing anything.
You can sing that Manka song also, right? Hada.
I did. Ay, isa yung masalag kya. Hindi gi.
Yeah. Volume to ang ganito.
As. Pulik sa laoy.
Volume kita ngito siya makuanto ang ganito. But I'm looking for headphone.
Sinate. Ay napamil. Si Dine ko. Ikilikap, diba?
Dil ka Daria. Sawadika. Mane. Yeah, she is.
Carry at the pucho milling us. Si Sunate. Ay napamil sa yoram dali.
Kayo haro. Mama am ta yenge Thoibi ki.
Mama am tanging ya. Kau rakit saya. Ay kau rakit ko. Ay mama ini ngay.
Hayo video ginay na ko. No. Mama is resting. Thoibi mama is resting now, and then ako'y sida inama ako'y inama yam ko family sida almost like 150 200 something at the minor lay. Apamba shum Sawatika. Lyric se moi se dum pa ye do huziki oina di online class to we. Nestor, come here. Nestor, come here. Ako'y sida family yam lay bagi angang su yam yame. and Thoibi ka Chinglen ga se they are very smart. Ai say sakpa se ai di say se yam pame aduga sakpa makti haite ado maybe later mama da mana convince story music se mama do la oina doha de leye haya hauzik doha de leye Manipuri isai se khangdi ma se haigadra hairamoidra do kai gino habada adum ma se English isai sakpadadi maitai rodi yam sengna yamna fluent oina khoi digi hena maitai ron se sengna ngange ba video da mama yenge haye Thoibi ge
Ako'y mamalak to rin. Ngay ko.
Kanano yenge haye si bo yenge haye si kanano si Thoibi mama si de lei re
Mamalak ako. Ay, ko tayo. Kaya
ha
First time seeing you with a lip color and
Thank you. That's me. Okay. Thoibi dada su yaholo lai ta Manipuri sai tambio Thoibi do mathang sakna ba.
hi ni niya. Easy na manda ne.
Lay ngak udri ba moi hizik to. Ha. Hali udri ba ni ba ina mada. Thoibi let mama sit. You can sit here.
Thoibi ki mama yan pa sa'yo.
So you can sit here. Let mama sit there.
Ay, sida pam ki mama.
Yare he. Ay di. Pam ko siya.
Yan pa sa'yo. Thoibi mama siya.
Thoibi su phajai si di. Even moi ki daddy su phajai ye. Okay. Thoibi se cute oye he. Mayam na nung sibida na ngang bili.
Ay, yan pa. Kuya, nandiyan. Nandiyan to naman.
Isa ka ba?
Oo, may sabi.
Pare. Mayam kay khangning ba lege Thoibi su mama su tam su loina awesome. Thank you. We love you from Manipur. Mama di kay lamday no kakching kay day no haye.
Kakching Wairi.
Kakching wai dagi ne. Dada su kakching day wai ja.
Nga dadana Kakching Bazaar.
Oo.
Bazaar. Paji rin. Narasinga.
Nara singa paji haye ko.
Yan ito bigay sana.
Mama chat kare. Okay, now this is time for Mama isay sagloy.
Mama ay thấy sao rồi.
Mama di say haite.
Mama di say haite. Thoibi ware. Oh, she's tired. Wanna take this? Okay. So I'm coming now. Big sister is coming here. Hello everyone. I gonna say let me just get up my stand.
Bye bye.
I should have done this, huh? It's just better. Okay. Hi everyone. I'm here. Manipuri say masaklo oye ching de sat pi inge lay sa udanam ta lay thod lay thod ching na na Thoibi say she's 9 years old, right?
Yeah.
She's 9 years old, and akhoi ga aina leiba mafam siga Thoibi ga yamna nakna ye hojik 10 minutes khaktang ne taxi da chatpa madam da aduga Thoibi class hojik kya no nang class kya atna
4.
yeah ma hojik class 4 ne Thank you, Dolly Karam. She's cute, she's smart, intelligent. Hello. Mayam aigi channel se Atya haina leibane ado hana tampasna haina leirambane ado thank you so much mayam na aigi channel se dum pambi bagi huzik phawbada dum yengbiri ko ado you have collected question from us and you oh yes I will do it for sure definitely yes maybe tomorrow kaigi Atya on thoino se mayam na dum hange do tasengna hairagadi ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯝꯐꯥꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯝꯐꯥꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯎꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯇꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯝꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯟꯖꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯣꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯑꯣ so aduduna I think Atya is a very good name. Want to see you with kari haibano with some eye color. I mean kajal. Okay. Okay. I normally don't use makeup. It just I you know say I know some chin dry oil ko lipstick taisan baneba. I height and weight say I height 5.5 feet ko aduga I weight na 57 ado BM ano ne adum chap chana lay hujik phawbagidi. Thank you, Jian Gangmei. Really appreciate it. I do makeup when I go for my duty. Ado Atya haibana hena cool oye chetampa. Thank you so much. Ado adum I the same meaning in natra. Ado hoy spelling se ATI se Atya se koi smaina haina braina khale. Maring Havazar Channing Parine. Thank you, Manitoy Wahengbam. Earring se hoy ahad masirak pade. Kaya ngang yam lay maningde yam langi ko. And what else? Ako'y sila yam na saye, then mayam kamay na taurige nung aribo kay lam dalage ay huzik jahi kuntaret sure. Thank you, Salam Rani Vala. I'm sure you must be, looking very pretty. Miloy namang pazeda. Ay na noy uda bagi kakang ni. Ay nga huzik higher chanu livestream nangga ay gaming se mana gitawe mayay kakang mana davne ay su livestream ga chanu gane. Ay huzik cabin crew na live ne flight attendant ne ay chahi kuntaret su dore sure habne. From my husband, he's a fan of yours. His name is Chun Gang Mai. Hello, how are you, Jan Gang Mai and Chun Gang Mai? I hope you guys are doing good and fine. Stay healthy and stay happy. And I know this during this pandemic, everyone is going crazy nowadays and eating, so we should focus more on healthy diet, and also we have to do some exercise. Please do not forget doing some exercise and workout, because we keep putting on weight every day because we stop going out every day. So we have to be more vigilant when we are at home. Doha hai se kai lam dano Doha hai se Qatar dane chegi samdo yame kamain torino ai gi sam se yame. I know I have a volume. I gi sam se yame do I do lots of oiling. I like coconut oil. Ado anam matam da coconut oil adum season na ye ado before I wash my hair. Fitness की वीडियो तो क्या वाली की तंबा fitness की वीडियो से ऐसे सेम अगर already लाइ रबन सेम का है आई नम में दुम युम दाई नुंग तिगी हुजिक योगा तो वे बादु वीडियो से तुम आइना खर खर नब्जा बने दुगा just आइना कितंग edit तरोगा कक तो कसिन तरोगा हाफ को दबता ngaire because यामना सांगे वीडियो दो अदो आई दी इतोम दना लोइना सेमजरगा अदुगा इसाना नमजरगा इसाना सेमजरगा दमाइना थागत चबंगा तने अदो one shot ngak yum da थोलक ती हुजिक ती Thoibi ware ma pothare ado mayam sigi live se ai save tawrake aduga mayam makok ti yeng hodaba kano mayam do makok ti yeng bio ma already ma isai ani muk sakre ngasai horak padigi. Thank you, Jan. Stay safe. And I've been to Tamenglong before. It's a beautiful place. I really like it. Maybe I don't know when will I get to see again. Ado mayam ayum pandriye. Ado mayam agi Q&A video thagalak pakando ina yengminarase ko ngasi di live se swai loisalage yam kuire. Ado mayam nungai lebiyo anaye gabigano aduga mayam ahawbasu chabiyo aduga exercise tawbasu kaubigano kaigin habde koi charaga chabasida koi hakchang se 80% ko ade 20% na kano tawbadobane 20% exercise ta leire duduna aigi isam afaba ma semge fit oina leigi hairagadi akoina chariba thaiba sida loina depend tawe ado mayam stay safe and take care and I love you all. Hope to see you soon in Manipur. Bye bye.